Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up two monitors with one computer. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. So it's actually quite easy. The first thing that you need to do is locate your HDMI port. Mine is right here. And it looks like this. So my HDMI port is right here, and as you can see, it says HDMI right here. Normally they are labeled. So you would have one HDMI cable hooked into here, and then make sure that your monitor has the exact same input as well. And then you would take the other side of the cable and plug it into your monitor, your first monitor. That would be number one. Now, with your second monitor, you're going to want to make sure that it has this input, and it's called a VGA out input. And basically, you would just plug in to the VGA output, and then also make sure that the same output is in the or on the monitor as well. So make sure it has a VGA out as well, and then you would hook one end here, and then the other end would be hooked into the monitor. So it would be a male to male VGA cable is what you would need, and then same with the HDMI. It would be a male to male HDMI cable. Also, same thing if you have a graphics card. So I do in fact have a graphics card here at the bottom. So it'd be the same thing. You would want the primary to be the HDMI and then VGA, or you can do VGA and DVI. But I know that a lot of monitors nowadays do not have the DVI output, so you would have no other choice but to do VGA and HDMI outputs as well on your graphics card. And that's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.